is one time I was extremely sick in the plane when I was coming back, sick like a dog, right? And I had a fever and bone pain, and you're talking about international flight. So I maxed on the Tylenol. I can't take any more Tylenol. And I did not have ibuprofen. So I called the flight attendants and she said, I'm sorry, but the rules, we don't have it in the plane. And I do have it in my purse. She was very honest, but I can't give it. That's the rules. That's the rules. Okay. There is another 8 hours to get here. And the only thing I remembered, كم أجعل من صلاتي لك? How much of my time I keep it for your salah ala nabi? And the hadith came to my mind. تكفى همك. If you're going to do it all the way, your worries will be removed. And for the next 2 hours, I was doing only salah ala nabi. I don't have anything else left, nothing. So what happened? Did I feel better? No, because I'm still having fever. But what happened? The nurse then the other flight attendant came to me and says, are you okay? I said, no, I am not. I just need ibuprofen. She looked at me and says, listen, I'm not supposed to give it to you, but I will give it to you.